Happy New Year once again, trader! In the new upcoming 2021, I wish you only successful trades and the multiplication of your trading account. I also wish you to keep your stop losses intact and all your take profits activated. However, my most important wish for you is that you go through the whole New Year 2021 with a smile and joy, because they are the most important things in life. May the upcoming year bring you holy blessing and peace, my friend. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. In my previous video related to numerology and trading, you could find out that the dates of tops and bottoms, when converted into numerological values from 1 to 9, the most often appearing numerological value for Euro USD is number 5. By the way, if your personal numerological number is 5, so if you are a 5er, I mean the digits of your birth of date when added up give you a 5 as a result of adding, you might check on my webpage the meaning of 5 for you, the link you'll find below this video. In today's video, I'll show you what enormous importance has number 5 on tops and bottoms, calculated a little bit different than in previous video. Please watch it carefully, because this might be your missing link for becoming a successful trader. So let's start the rock and roll. As I told you before, I have to emphasize that I am not a numerologist and my knowledge in this field is very limited, but during my teaching, during my tutorial sessions I run over Zoom or Skype, I met some wonderful people who have been successfully using numerology in trading for years. So it inspired me to have a look at what this numerology is all about from a statistical or mathematical point of view. And, to my surprise, the results were far beyond the randomness. The only thing you need to know when you apply numerology for the start is that all numerical values come down to 9 digits from 1 to 9, or basically 0 to 9 by adding and reducing each digit of any given number to one of the 9 digits, also known as moding 9. So the only thing you need to know is just you need to know how to reduce any number to get in it as a one single digit, as a moding of 9. As the example, if you have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 12,345, when you add up all its digits, you'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 15, and 15 is equal to 1 plus 5, which equals to 6. In this way, the numerological value of the 12,345 is numerological 6. When you've got the date of, let's say, 1st of September 2020, which is 1/09/2020, it's the date, by the way, when Euro USD made an important high, as you might have remembered. And when you add these digits of the date, you will get 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, which is equal to 14, which is equal to 1 plus 4 equals 5. And in this way, we got numerological 5 as the date of 1st of September 2020. It's just the beginning of our journey of today. So let's go to the Excel sheet right now. So this is what I made in my previous video over here on this Excel sheet, and I've got all these dates over here in this column C. These tops and bottoms I considered more or less important during last 2 years, which is 2019 and 2020. And I added up the digits of each date, and this was the result. as a result, I just checked out which of these numbers from 1 to 9 is corresponding to these dates over here. And the results shown that over here 5 appeared the most, nearly 16%, 1/6, my friend. And average is only 11.11, because 9 times 11.11 gives us nearly 100%. So, in this way, I did another one. I just got rid of the 4 digits of the year, which is 2020, so the value will be 4 less than over here. And here are the results. Let me show you the results. Bam. So I added only days and digits of days and the digit of the month. And here is the result, my friend. I got some dates over here. It's widespread because I took all tops and bottoms in the C column this time. I took only the dates from 2015, but very important tops and bottoms. So it started from 3rd of December 2015, which was very important bottom, is marked here. And by the way, if you don't know if the markets are harmonic, look over here. We got at the date of December 3rd as well, we had something over here. Let me check it. It was another top as far as I remember, or bottom. What was that? We got 22nd, 11th, 8th, 9th. Over here, 3rd, 4th, look. Local swing after 5 years from 2015. So anyway, we got these dates. A total number of these dates is 28 tops and bottoms, 26, sorry. And I took all of them, and again I tried to filter it, and it shows that number 5 appears 23%, which is 1/4 of the tops and bottoms which appeared over here. Is 23%. But important information for you, my friend. The previous one has been calculated based on the closing prices. So here, every one of this one between 2019 and 2020, it starts here from the 20th of January 2019. No, 2nd January 2019, sorry. And here we are at the end of 2020, which it's shown 22nd of December previous year. So in this way, I've got only 2 years here, and it's more detailed tops and bottoms, the minor one as well, which means that maybe a swing of 2-3 days also has been marked here. It was important one. So here we had 83 days based on the date of the closing price. And in this calculation, it's been done to the highs and lows. So you may check it out at home, these dates. For example, I've got for 2020, I got something like 3rd of December, I told you already, and was... No, sorry, it's 2015. 10 of March 2016, 7 of November 2017, 11 of February 2019, and for the previous year, 20th of February 2020, which is important bottom, 9 of March, which is top of the swing, and 23rd of March is the bottom, very bottom, the low of Euro USD for a pretty long time. Then 27th of March, 24th of April, 10th of June. They are all tops of the swings intraday. These ones. So is the high or low of the market at this 28th of September. I've got marked here, and 4th of 11/2020, which is this candle over here. And the previous one was 2 days before, because the lowest closing price was here in the calculation from my previous video, and this time I get this one. So in this way I just marked few of them, and the results show that the number 5, numerological 5, appears 23%. When I filter it over here and show you 5, it's really, it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times out of 26, which that's why it gives us 23%. If we go to number, let's say number 9, which is equal to 0 in numerology, it appears only 2 times. So in this way, you see, it's so 5 is the ruler as a numerological value. Now, what does it give us? What importance of number 5 is here? Let's check it. Even another important thing which I want to tell you about 5, very often it happens with 5 when the market reverses. Let me show it on the square of 9. So when you look at the square of 9, it's very characteristic that there are some dates around the day of 5, like 5th of August. It's also the day 5. 6th of May, which is around the date of 5. 3rd of November, again, same story. It's just as an example that 5 plays important role in Euro USD. And what I've got in my calculations made over here as well, it seems that number 5 as a numerological value of the date in 2021, the first time will appear on numerological days for January 2021. I've got them over here. January 2021 numerological days. So 1st of January 2021 is as number numerological 7. And 8, 0 is instead of 9, is just like the moding formula calculated it. I remind you that this cell is equal to mode, and mode, we put the colon and the moding value. Moding value is 9. So we got 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So that's how it works. The first 5 as a numerological value appears on the date of 8th of January 2021. It might be an important reversal point on the market, important or not, whatever. It will be a swing. I'm sure it will. Why? Let me show you. Over here, I got just few calculations based on the local top of bottom 17 of December 2020, which was, it was a local, where is my September 2020? My local bottom 17, local top, sorry, was on 17. The market made a closing high here. So I calculated this one as an important point of the market, and based on this date, on 17/12/2020, I calculated future potential reversal points, which are, based on this one, the first one by simple mirroring, it shows 10th of January, bear it in mind, but here is calculated 6th of January, we got 6 here, we got 10 here, which has been calculated, we got 6 here as well from astrological events, and I will go through it right in a moment. So now 6 is 2 days away of 8, and 10 is 2 days away of 8. What's happening here? What's happening here? I got 6 here and 6 here, so 6th of January, I'm ready for reversal. But what about our 5? 6th January is nothing else than is numerological 3. So I might presume that to 5 is another 2 days. 2 days might be a difference of 300 pips, so, such a prediction would be worthless. So what would I do? I get the astrolog. I know that the date of 6 is here. I just want to show you what's gonna happen on 6. We know that numerological 5 is on 8th of January. What's happening on 8, my friend? Here we go. 8th of January. Numerological 5. Venus is getting from Sagittarius into the Capricorn. And Mars just passed through from Aries to Taurus, which started at 6th of January. Mars was at 2983. At 7, it got into Taurus, and on the date of 8, we got this funny. Venus getting into Capricorn, Mercury is getting into Aquarius and is approaching Jupiter and Saturn, and Mars is right off just getting through to the line dividing the border between the Aries and Taurus. 8th of January 2020, very important date. I think that time the market will reverse. Friday, it's especially that it's on Friday. So what I would say, if Friday, January the 8th, the market will continue till Friday. As of today, we are on 2nd of January, by the way. So as the market continues, it made this candle going lower. If the market continues its way down, definitely at this area at 120.50, I should place an order. Or if it gets through and makes a deeper correction, I would buy over here. If the market makes a movement and continues its rally north, then on 8th of January, I would sell. And why? 8th of January, somewhere here. So it's not far away. This line will be closer anyway because we got Saturday and Sunday on the way. And that's how I think, especially that I remind you, I got over here calculated this date as well, 10th of January 2021. It's a mirror of the low of 23rd of November 2020, a local one, and it falls on January 10th, and the symmetry axis is 17th of December 2020. But 10th falls on Sunday. In this way, I think the market will participate this change in the trend in this way. So once again, I think January 8th, 2021, numerological 5 seems to be a reversal point. Watch this one, watch this date carefully, watch what the market will do on Friday, which is over 6 days. And definitely it gives you an edge in your trading. Obviously, it's not a recommendation for trading. Just do it on demo account. I do not encourage you to do it on live account. You do it. You are responsible for your trading decisions. Just consider it as a teaching session. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you didn't get bored. I hope to see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for your time. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.